Hello everybody! This is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book, The Ship That Held Up Wall Street, by Warren C. Riess with Sheli O. Smith, Volume 1. In January 1982, archaeologists conducting a pre-construction excavation at 175 Water Street in Lower Manhattan found the remains of an 18th century ship. In this book, Riess presents the technical analysis of the vessel, which he believes to be the Princess Carolina, a merchant ship likely constructed by shipwright Benjamin Austin in Charleston, South Carolina, in the early 1700s. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.